West Jordan, Utah, is known for its beautiful landscapes, stunning mountain views, and a climate that can range from blistering summer heat to cold, snowy winters. While this diverse climate brings a lot of charm, it can also pose challenges for homeowners when it comes to keeping their homes comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. One of the most important elements in ensuring your home is well protected from extreme weather is choosing the right windows. In this article, we'll explore how the right windows can offer superior protection against the harsh weather conditions in West Jordan and help you save money on energy costs while enhancing the comfort and security of your home. Protection against extreme heat in the summer. West Jordan's summer months can bring high temperatures that often exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which means your home is exposed to significant heat gain, especially through its windows. If your windows are not well equipped to handle this heat, your air conditioning system will work overtime to keep your home cool, resulting in high energy bills and increased wear on your cooling system. The solution? Energy-efficient windows. Specifically, low emissivity, low E, windows are designed to reflect heat and block harmful UV rays from the sun. These windows have special coatings that keep the intense heat from entering your home, while still allowing natural light to filter through. By installing low-E windows, you can maintain a more comfortable indoor temperature, reduce reliance on your AC, and lower summer energy costs. Additionally, low-E coatings help preserve the color and integrity of your furniture, flooring, and other interior elements by blocking UV rays that cause fading. Defense against winter cold and snow. When winter hits West Jordan, temperatures can plummet to freezing levels, creating a whole new set of challenges for homeowners. Cold drafts, poor insulation, and heat loss through outdated or inefficient windows can lead to higher heating bills and uncomfortable indoor temperatures. To combat this, double-pane or triple-pane windows with insulating gas, like argon or krypton, provide an effective barrier against the cold. These windows have multiple layers of glass with a gas-filled space between the panes, which acts as an insulator, reducing the amount of heat that escapes from your home. This insulation keeps warm air inside and prevents cold air from entering, ensuring that your heating system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. As a result, your home stays warmer without the inflated heating bills. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can maintain a comfortable indoor environment during the cold winter months, all while improving your home's energy efficiency and reducing heating costs. Protecting your home from wind and storm damage. West Jordan is not a stranger to high winds and winter storms, which can be particularly damaging to homes that aren't properly equipped to withstand these elements. Windows are often the most vulnerable part of a home when it comes to wind-driven rain, hail, and flying debris. To protect your home from wind and storm damage, consider installing impact-resistant windows. These windows are built with stronger glass and a tougher frame that can withstand high winds and resist shattering during extreme weather conditions. In areas where storms are frequent, impact windows provide peace of mind knowing that your home and family are better protected from the dangers posed by powerful storms. Furthermore, these windows are often designed to provide superior insulation, ensuring that your home stays energy efficient while staying safe during the storm. Noise reduction during busy seasons. West Jordan is a growing community, and with growth often comes increased construction noise, traffic, and neighborhood activity. If you live near busy streets, commercial areas, or ongoing development, you may find that external noise is seeping into your home, disrupting your peace and quiet. Fortunately, the right windows can also help to minimize noise pollution. Double or triple pane windows are not only energy efficient but also provide an additional layer of sound insulation. The extra panes of glass and insulating gas between the layers significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. For homeowners in West Jordan, especially those living in noisy or high-traffic areas, investing in windows with soundproofing qualities can vastly improve your home's comfort and livability. Increasing home security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points for burglars. If your windows are old or improperly secured, they can be easily broken or forced open, compromising your home's security. Installing modern windows with strong locks and impact-resistant glass can significantly enhance your home's security. Window locks have come a long way in terms of technology and functionality. Many modern windows come with multi-point locking systems that make it more difficult for intruders to break in. Impact-resistant windows are made from stronger materials that are harder to break, providing an added layer of security against forced entry. Improved aesthetics and curb appeal. Besides offering protection from extreme weather, the right windows can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you choose traditional wood windows, sleek vinyl options, or modern fiberglass frames, upgrading your windows can improve your home's curb appeal and increase its market value. New windows can transform your home's appearance, making it look fresh, modern, and well-maintained. Plus, with a variety of styles and colors available, you can choose windows that complement your home's architectural style and personal taste. Conclusion: the right windows for West Jordan's extreme weather. Given the extreme weather conditions in West Jordan, choosing the right windows for your home is crucial to ensuring comfort, safety, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to protect your home from the summer heat, winter cold, high winds, or external noise, energy-efficient, impact-resistant windows can help safeguard your home while lowering your energy bills and improving your quality of life. Investing in modern windows tailored to West Jordan's climate is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable living space, but you'll also increase your home's value and durability in the face of the elements.